foundation on, and I had some eyeshadow on from earlier. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and go and try and do a skull look. I'm gonna be using Tony Moly gel eyeliner, like so. And I'm gonna be going ahead and drawing my lips, my teeth over my lips. And I'm gonna be using Physicians Formula Natural Defense Total Coverage Concealer, and I love their concealers. That's better. Alright, here we go. Tony Moly. Gonna follow the wing, make a circle around the eyes, make a few points. I've seen other people do that, and I think it looks really good. Just kind of following my eye socket. And I got this last Christmas, but it works really well. I love this. Oh yeah. And we're gonna go into the nose. I like to kind of speed through things and then later on go and fix them up. The finer details. Don't worry, you can always use a flat brush and go over your details. There we go. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna do line here. Okay, now we're gonna touch up the eyes. Scientific here. I'm not counting how many teeth I'm putting in. This is way too many. Whatever, you get the idea. Alright, now we're gonna get the flat brush and we're gonna clean up these lines. If you want to go in and do touch-up details, I recommend using concealer and a flat brush. Works really well. Alright guys, so for a little bit more bedazzlement, I got the sparkles. I'm thinking about putting it over the top, but I'm not sure how that's gonna look. Let's try it. Yeah, I like it. But it's wet, so you have to kind of let it try first, you know. Let's do the other side. Ooh, I think I really like this. Revlon PhotoReady Eye Art. Okay, this is the same stuff I used for my Cleopatra tutorial. It's just a different color. Okay, that actually turned out really good. I like that. And I'm gonna try and clean up the lines on my mouth, my teeth. Okay. Oh, why doesn't it work? Moving on. I got this Anastasia Beverly Hills Glitter Adhesive. So we're gonna see if this will make some rhinestone stick. I'm gonna go get my diamonds and then I'll be right back. Okay, I ordered this on Amazon. It's actually for nails, but I figured it should work on your face too. Why not? So this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills. So cute. I love the holographic look. And this thing is really cool. It comes with a brush, a nails brush, and it comes with these little, like, what do you call them? Tweezers. So this is how it looks. It comes with like a little brush. I guess I could just put it directly on pieces. I get like a little diamond shape. Let's see how this works. Brush. Right below. Oh no. Good. And I'm gonna press. That's cute. Okay, I think we can do this. And I'm gonna let you guys know how long this will wear. Stay. I'm thinking about just putting it directly on the spots that I want to put it on. I think that will work better. I'll let you know. Okay, so far I'm really loving this tool. And I'm loving this glitter glue. Okay, that's working a lot better. Putting it directly on my skin. Oh yeah. We are in a groove right now. Okay, I'm trying to think about where I want to go next. I'm sorry if anyone's annoyed because the rhinestone thing and the skull look is kind of overdone. But I know there's gonna be people out there who are so tired of it. Not bad. Falling off. So I do want to say that this glue, Anastasia Beverly Hills Glitter Glue, works really well. Definitely recommend that. Alright guys, I'm going to be reusing this wig that I used for my Cleopatra. And if you haven't seen that, go check it out. Oh my god. It's starting to look even better with the wig cap somehow. It's just me. Okay, that is fun. That's one complaint I have about this. I wish they would like cover more thick, but whatever. It was $15, so I think we're getting away with it. Okay guys, this is finally the finished look. Run! Were you scared? Right now? Oh! Raina, ow, ow. You don't recognize me? Raina, look. Hi. Say Raina, hi. Hi, I love you. Thank you guys. If you like videos like this, like and subscribe and check out the description box for anything I might have left out. I will always add there. All right. Love you guys. Bye.